If you're seeing a Krita error code 404, don't worry. This usually means the resource you're trying to download no longer exists at that link. In most cases, it is not a problem with Krita itself. It simply means the brush pack, plugin, bundle, or update file has been moved, renamed, or deleted by the creator. In this video, I'll show you what that error means and the quickest way to fix it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's start with the most common situation. If you are downloading a Krita resource from an external website and you get error code 404, the first thing to understand is that the file link is probably dead. That means the creator may have removed the download page, changed the file location, or taken the resource offline entirely. The best fix here is to open the source website manually in your browser and check whether the page still exists. If the download button no longer works or the page shows a not found message, then the resource has likely been removed. Now, if you are using Krita's Manage Resource Libraries menu and you get a 404 error while trying to import external brush packs or bundles from an online repository, the cause is usually the same. The repository itself may be dead. In other words, the website hosting that bundle has likely been taken down, moved, or disabled. In this case, the solution is to close the internal browser inside Krita, then visit the creator's official website manually. If the creator uses Gumroad, Patreon, or another download page, go there directly instead of relying on the broken link inside Krita. Once you're on the official page, look for the latest version of the resource. Sometimes creators replace old downloads with a new link, and sometimes they provide a mirror or updated package. If you find a fresh link, download the file again and try importing it into Krita one more time. If it still fails, then the file may be unavailable permanently, and you may need to find an alternative brush pack or plugin. A quick tip here. Always double check that the file you are downloading is actually meant for your version of Krita. Some resources are only built for specific versions, and while that does not always cause a 404 error, it can create other import problems later, so it's always smart to use the creator's latest official download when possible. If the link is dead and the creator's page no longer exists, try searching for the resource name plus the creator's name. You may find an archived page, a repost from the creator, or a new official location. Just be careful to avoid unsafe third-party download sites whenever possible. It's always better to use the original source. So to summarize, a Krita error code 404 usually means the resource link is broken, deleted, or moved. If you're downloading from an external website, check the source page manually. If you're importing from the in-app resource library, close Krita's internal browser and go directly to the creator's official website or Gumroad page. That usually solves the issue fast. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.